big old freak, big booty, big old tree. I'ma make 'em wait for the hit it in me big old. I am actually really digging this look. Okay. In all seriousness, let's get to it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shira Renee, and if you want to listen to what I have to say, then stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have decided to do a quick little beat. I'm not in any type of way, in MUA or anything like that, but I do like to do my makeup, and I do plan on doing other people's makeup like once I perfect my craft. But today was just a little simple beat. The only thing that I'm using from my actual brand will be the lip gloss Allure, which you guys can purchase on my site, which is www.alluresdynasty.com. I will put it up on the screen, and I will also leave it down below in the description box. So today I decided to make a video. Oh, and I'm also wearing the chain Dynasty that's on my website. This is a 14-inch. I tried to get it more like a choker, but yeah, so it's right here. But yeah, so today I decided to do a quick little video on basically what my brand stands for. I also wanted to talk, I'm looking down at my notes, that's why I'm looking down if you see me looking down. But I wanted to do what my brand stands for. I do have some sales that's going on right now. I have some discount codes going on, and I just basically wanted to get you guys up to date on how sales are going so far. So yeah, that's what we're going to be talking about for today. So let's get right into it. So coming up with the name Allure's Dynasty, it was hard. I'm not even gonna lie. So the first name that I came up with was Perfect Imperfections. And yeah, so once I did my research, I live in Illinois, so I did my research as far as like when I wanted to register my business for an LLC. So I did research and trying to find basically if I could use that name, and I couldn't. Someone had already used it. I thought I was being unique, but no, somebody had already used it, and I was looking for a name that would basically give it meaning in a way. With Allure's Dynasty, it's for women, all women, and I wanted to basically build a brand based off empowering women, motivating them, no matter like the skin complexion, the size. Like, I'm all about all for one, one for all, I guess you can say. But I really wanted to build a brand that made any and every woman feel beautiful, because you know, people deal with self-esteem, you know, suicide and mental health issues and all of that. But I just wanted to basically, that's basically another story for another video, but I did want to build a brand that would make any and every girl feel like the most absolute beautiful by providing them with services as well as products that would make them feel that way, or enhance their beauty in a way that make them feel beautiful. So that's basically what Allure's Dynasty stands for. I came up with the name Allure's Dynasty. Allure is basically another word for beauty. It's like really enchanting beauty. So that's where I got that from. And then Dynasty, I got that from basically building your own dynasty, setting up on like your own little platform, empowering. Like, honestly, I'm obsessed with Egypt, and like when I thought of, you know, women ruling, I thought of like Queen Nefertiti and like Greek gods and stuff like that. I like stuff like that. I'm a nerd, but yeah. So that's where I got dynasties from, and I was like, okay, so Allure's Dynasty. That's kind of lit, okay? So that's where Allure's Dynasty's, like, the actual name came from, and I actually do like it, and I do plan on registering my business LLC, like for the LLC under the state of Illinois, and I will do a video on that once I do that. I'm gonna try to record the whole process because I don't feel like anyone else has like an actual legit video of them registering their business. I know some information may be on there like that's kind of private, so I'm gonna go ahead and like blur that out, but for the most part I'm gonna try to record that whole video and post that for you guys, just so like anyone else who's planning on building their own brand or business can have, I guess, a little information. I know it does differ depending on the state that you're in, like website wise and stuff like that. So it may be different for people in other states, but at least you'll have some type of guide as far as when you're doing that. So the next thing that I want to talk about would be sales. I do have a couple of sales going on right now. I am pulling up my Shopify app. I have I have like a lash sale going on. For my lashes, I'm also wearing my lashes. This is in the style Aries. And again, here is my packaging. It has my brand name on the front, which is Alora's Dynasty. You can see the lash in there. And it also has, it also has the style name of the lash, which is Aries. So these are Aries, which is what I am wearing now. On the back, it has, again, my brand name. Can you see it? Okay. My brand name, some of the items that I sell, my website, and then my Instagram, and then my @name on Instagram. So yeah, these are the lashes I'm wearing. Guys, go get you some because look at these. Can you look at that glow? Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, yeah, so I am doing some discount codes and stuff like that on my website. I have a sale going on with lashes where you can buy 2 and get your 3rd pair free using the code. Give me 1 second. Okay, using the code. I'm sorry. Oh, using the code EMPOWERED. Okay, I have so many discount codes set up, it's like ridiculous. But using the code EMPOWERED. So all of my brand names, like for most of my items, have something to do about empowering women, motivating them. So Aries is like another word for like, I think like a Egyptian princess or something like that. It's like an upcoming princess, I guess you can say like that. So yeah, so the code EMPOWERED is for 2 pairs of lashes and get your 3rd pair free. And you can also receive free shipping if you purchase anything, purchase an amount, total amount over $60, I think $50 or $60, which will be pretty easy to get, honestly. I do have another code you can use, a Lord Girl. I'm going to put all of the codes down in the description box below. A Lord Girl, which is missing the I in girl, which is why I'll go ahead and put it down in the description box below. But with that code, you can receive 15% off your order, which is a lot. So yeah, guys, go ahead and use that. I also have a code for, I also have a code for sunglasses. Right now, I know that it's still hot in some areas, and I just love my sunglasses. Like at this moment, I do have 2 favorite pairs, and these are my 2-toned oversized glasses. And here are these bad babies. Like, look, like I just feel like a bad. Oh, I don't cuss, but baby, look at this. Oh, I'm not trying to put them all the way on because of my lashes, but yeah, look at these. This is my favorite pair, one of my favorite pairs, and I do have another favorite pair. Like, I love these ones, and these are also 2-toned and oversized as well. Like, bro, like, are you? You can't tell me nothing, honey. Okay, not with these on. Okay, but yeah. So these are those are my two favorite pairs of sunglasses, and you can buy two get one free with those as well using the code GLAM. And guys, you can get 10% off of your first order, as well as exclusive deals that I won't be offering just to anyone if you subscribe to my email list and my newsletter. So all you have to do to get that code, as well as many other codes and discounts or exclusive offers that I'll be doing, is go to my website www.alluresdynasty.com and subscribe to my email list. Like, it's really that simple, and you will receive an email in regards with the code, as well as showing off some of our items. And yeah, so that is it with the codes. I do have a bundle deal, so I talked to you guys about what my brand stands for, sales, discounts. I wanted to also talk to you guys basically about how's my business going so far. It's going pretty good. It's steady. I would like it to be like popping, but I do understand I don't have like a big following, so that's why it's not really popping. But I do market my business a lot. I could do it more, which is what I'm working on now. I do plan on doing a video on basically how I market my business. I have done some like paid promotions on Instagram as well as Facebook, which is where some of my sales came from. And yeah, so business is going pretty good so far. I do plan on getting it better. I'm not going to give up, because this is something that I have been wanting to do for so long, and for me to allow people to basically stop me from doing that, I'm done doing that. So this is what I want to do. I'm going to finish school as well. I graduate in May with my bachelor's degree in psychology and sociology. And yeah, I do plan on doing like a lot of more videos on being like a full-time mom, full-time student, and working full-time, and as well as just showing more stuff about my little family. But I'm jumping all over the place because I've been MIA for like 2 weeks, and like I've been meaning to post videos, but with schools and midterms and stuff going on right now, it has been like just a little crazy for me. But going back to the business side, everything is going pretty good. So guys, make sure you guys go ahead and shop with me. I have, lashes. I was about to say losses. I have lashes, lip gloss, accessories. I have some big surprise coming up. Also, I do plan on having a few more items added to the site before the end of this year. So stay tuned for that. I will make a video on that as well, like probably when I'm ordering or anything like that. I'm not sure. And I also have custom jewelry, which is my chain Dynasty here for your custom nameplate. It's high quality. I've showered with this multiple times. Hasn't broken out yet. Changed colors. It doesn't bend, and I'm like actually applying force. The chain, like, I don't know if you could tell how hard I'm pulling it, but it hasn't popped yet. So this is some high quality jewelry you can't, or you probably won't find anywhere else. And I also have custom, zodiac necklaces. And I do plan on adding a bunch of more jewelry I'm not sure yet, like by when, but I do plan on doing a lot more of that as well. Is that it? Is that all I want to talk about? Yeah, guys, I guess that's it. So to stay tuned or up to date with how my business is going, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that red button below and click on that bell just so that you know when I do post another video. Also, go and follow my business pages at Allures Dynasty Official, or Allures Dynasty, honestly, on Instagram as well as on Facebook. I will post that down below. And I also wanted to give you guys some information about an opportunity that I just recently started using. And I've also gained, so far I've made $50, I want to say, using this new app called Digit. With this app, it helps you save money. Like, it helps you save money. And I will leave the link down below. So far, I have saved, give me one second. So far, I've saved in 3 accounts. I've been saving for my retirement, travel, and then just rainy day money. And can you see? Oh, wait, does it have my account information? Okay. It does have my account information in here. But yeah, I honestly, if you guys are a college student just starting off on your business or anything like that, I highly recommend using this app just because you do want to try to budget your money and save. So, and this does really help me do that. So I'll leave the link down below. Go ahead and click on that if you're interested. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.